Guys, welcome back to my channel. Today I'm going to show you how you can generate your text into video using the AI tools from Canva. So all you have to do is try to create a new design. Here, just go to the apps, this one apps, and go to the magic media here. So go to the videos. So describe what you like to create here. This is the experimental new technology. Since with people or animals may not look quite right. So try to a simple text here. Your Dragon Ball, my lovely anime here, and generate video. So it will take sometimes here. You have to wait. It takes about 1 or 2 minutes here. A brand new video inspired by your scene is being generated. Here, as you can see, this is the Dragon Ball I mentioned before. This is Son Goku. It's precise here. So maybe you want to generate again. Maybe you don't satisfy with the video. So you can try add into your blank space here. So please feel to try. This is experimental AI tools by Canva. Maybe there is some updates in the future about this AI tool or Magic Media. Thank you for watching. Don't forget to comment, like, and subscribe. Also click that button below. See you in the next video.